Welcome to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. In today's video, we're diving into a crucial topic that affects many lives, the 6 symptoms that may indicate cancer is growing in your body. Understanding these signs is vital for early detection and treatment, which can significantly improve outcomes. We'll explore each symptom in detail, helping you recognize what to look for and when to seek medical advice. This information is not just for those experiencing symptoms, it's essential knowledge for everyone. By being informed, you empower yourself and your loved ones to take action if necessary. So stay tuned as we uncover these important indicators and discuss why early awareness can make all the difference in the fight against cancer. Before diving deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Unexplained weight loss. Unexplained weight loss, mainly when it occurs without any changes to diet or exercise, can be a significant warning sign of cancer. This symptom may arise due to various factors, including the body's increased energy expenditure while fighting cancer or the tumor affecting metabolism. Specific cancers, such as pancreatic, stomach, and lung cancer, are often associated with this alarming symptom. If you notice a sudden drop in weight, typically more than 5% of your body weight over 6 months, it's crucial to take it seriously. Don't hesitate to consult a healthcare professional for a thorough evaluation. Early detection can lead to more effective treatment options, so being proactive about your health is essential. Remember, your well-being is worth the conversation. Persistent fatigue. Persistent fatigue that doesn't improve with rest can be a concerning indicator of underlying health issues, including cancer. Unlike regular fatigue, which typically resolves with sleep or relaxation, cancer-related fatigue is often overwhelming and can interfere with daily activities. This fatigue may stem from the body's response to cancer, treatments, or disease. Various cancers, such as leukemia, lymphoma, and breast cancer, are known to cause this debilitating symptom. If you find yourself feeling excessively tired for an extended period, it's essential to pay attention. Don't ignore this sign. Seeking medical advice is crucial. A healthcare professional can help determine the cause of your fatigue and guide you toward the appropriate next steps for your health. Changes in skin. Changes in the skin, such as the appearance of new moles or alterations in existing ones, can be significant warning signs of skin cancer. Monitoring these changes is crucial, as early detection can lead to more effective treatment. Specific types of skin cancer, including melanoma, basal cell carcinoma, and squamous cell carcinoma, are often associated with unusual skin changes. Look for asymmetry, irregular borders, color variations, or any mole that grows or itches. Regular skin checks at home and with a dermatologist are essential for maintaining skin health. Don't hesitate to schedule an appointment if you notice any concerning changes. Being proactive about your skin can make a vital difference in catching potential issues early and ensuring your overall well-being. Persistent cough or hoarseness. A persistent cough that lasts for weeks or hoarseness can be more than just a nuisance. It may signal serious health issues, including lung or throat cancer. While common causes of a chronic cough include allergies, infections, or smoking, it's essential to recognize when it may indicate something more severe. Cancers such as lung cancer and laryngeal cancer are often linked to prolonged coughing or changes in voice. If you are dealing with a cough that doesn't improve or hoarseness that lingers, seeking medical evaluation is crucial. Early diagnosis can significantly impact treatment outcomes, so don't ignore these symptoms. Taking action can lead to timely interventions and better health prospects, making it vital to prioritize your well-being. Changes in bowel or bladder habits. Alterations in bowel or bladder habits can be significant indicators of cancers affecting the digestive or urinary systems. A change may include persistent diarrhea, constipation, blood in the stool, or changes in the frequency and urgency of urination. These symptoms can be linked to various cancers, such as colorectal cancer, bladder cancer, and prostate cancer. Attention to these changes is essential, as they can signal underlying health issues that require further investigation. If you notice any unusual patterns or persistent symptoms, don't hesitate to monitor them closely and seek medical advice. Early detection is key in managing potential cancers effectively, so prioritizing your health and discussing any concerns with a healthcare professional is crucial for your well-being. Unexplained pain. Unexplained pain that persists without a clear cause can be a concerning sign of cancer. Unlike normal pain, which typically has a specific reason and resolves with time or treatment, cancer-related pain may be chronic and can occur in various areas of the body. This type of pain can arise from tumors pressing on nerves or organs, leading to discomfort that doesn't seem to have an obvious explanation. Cancers such as bone cancer, pancreatic cancer, and ovarian cancer are often associated with unexplained pain. If you find yourself experiencing persistent pain that doesn't improve or is accompanied by other symptoms, it's essential to consult a doctor. Early evaluation can lead to timely diagnosis and treatment, making it crucial to prioritize your health and well-being. Recognizing cancer symptoms is vital for early detection and effective treatment. We've discussed various warning signs, including unexplained weight loss, persistent fatigue, skin changes, etc. Each of these symptoms can indicate underlying health issues that warrant further investigation. If you or someone you know is experiencing any of these signs, it's crucial to take action and consult a healthcare professional for a thorough evaluation. Your health is paramount, and being proactive can make a significant difference. If you found this video informative, please subscribe, like, and share it with others who may benefit from this vital information. Together, we can raise awareness and promote better health for everyone. Thank you for watching.